Today, we'll show you two different types of cabinets and how to correctly measure your cabinet opening to determine the correct size organizer. There are two main types of cabinets, face frame and frameless, but both of these cabinet types come in a variety of sizes that vary in width and depth. Understanding the type of cabinet you have will help you save time and frustration from purchasing the incorrect size product. Face frame cabinets have a noticeable frame around the front of the cabinet that in many cases resembles a picture frame. In frameless cabinets, there is no frame present and you can clearly see the sides of the cabinet. Whether you have face frame or frameless cabinets, you need to know your minimum cabinet opening width and height, most importantly, but also your inside cabinet depth. Begin by measuring the opening width of your cabinet and take into consideration your cabinet door hinges, as your product will need to slide in and out without interfering with these. If your product requires the cabinet door to be mounted to it, then you don't need to worry about that. Next, measure your cabinet opening height. Follow that by measuring the interior depth. The depth is measured from the outside front edge to the back wall of the cabinet. By understanding and correctly measuring your cabinet opening, you will then have enough information to correctly locate and purchase the correct size product.